Good morning, students. Welcome back. Now, in our last class, we have already learnt about the different stages in which the non-cooperation movement was unfolded. Now, in my last class, I told you that everything was ready. Gandhiji was ready with the movement. But now Gandhiji want the support of the Congress. So he took the proposal, Gandhiji took the proposal to the Congress for their approval. In fact, Gandhiji needed the support of the Congress also in this movement. But many within the Congress, they were not supporting the proposal. They were reluctant to boycott the council election and thus don't want to support Gandhiji's non-cooperation. Moreover, Congress also feared that the movement might lead to popular violence in the country. So Congress was not with Gandhiji's proposal. But Gandhiji started the movement according to his wish. So, Congress session, when it was held in September 1920 in Kolkata, the proposal was rejected and Congress decided not to support Gandhiji's non-cooperation. But as I told you, Gandhiji started the movement and slowly the movement was spreading like jungle fire throughout the country. And at last there was an intense tussle between the members of the Congress regarding supporting non-cooperation movement. So at last, in December 1920, Nagpur session of Congress, in the same year, September it was held in 1920, September it was held in Kolkata, and December 1920, once again the Congress session was held in Nagpur, and in this session, Congress decided to support Gandhiji's non-cooperation movement. And with the support of Congress, the movement became a mass movement in the country. With all its gesture, the movement took a very wide shape in the year 1921. And hence, this became the first mass movement in the country. Okay? So this is how the movement started. We'll continue with this.